Hi boys and girls, welcome back to your Wilson Fundations printing lessons. Today we are going to begin our letter formation with our uppercase or capital letters. Just to review boys and girls, you'll remember that the name of the line at the top on your Fundations paper is the skyline. If you're using regular handwriting paper at home, that's okay too. It would just be the top line, but in Fundations we call it the skyline. The middle dotted or dashed line on your printing or handwriting paper is called the plain line in Fundations. And the solid bottom line is called the grass line. If you're using regular printing paper at home, you do not have the extra line here at the bottom. But in Fundations, we call this line the worm line because it's under the ground like a worm. So keep that in mind as we do our uppercase letter formation. For the uppercase letters, they're all tall, which means they all begin at the skyline or the top line on your printing paper. And because they all start in the same place, we are just going to go in alphabetical order, which is ABC order. So we will start with A, and today we will do A and B. And then during our next lesson, we will do C and D. And we will continue doing 2 letters each lesson, and then maybe some review activities at the end. Okay, so to start with letter A, you are going to point your pencil. I'm using a marker to make it clear so you can see, but you will point your pencil, if you're doing this at home, to the skyline right here at the top. Okay. You're going to slide back down to the grass line, start back up at the skyline again, and you slide down to the grass. And then you cross on the middle or the plain line, just like that. And that is the letter A. Say A, apple, ah. Say the whole thing with me. Ready? A, apple, ah. Let's make another one. A little bit faster. We are going to point to the skyline, slide back to the grass line, start back up at the skyline again, and slide down to the grass line, cross on the plain line. And that's how you make your uppercase letter A. Okay, this time I want you to see if you can stretch out the sound while I write the uppercase letter A. Here we go. Ah. My camera moved there, so let me do one more for you. Ah. Very nice. And there you have your uppercase letter A. Our next uppercase letter, and our last one for today, is the uppercase letter B. Again, we start at the skyline. Set my phone down here. Okay, so you're going to start at the skyline. You're going to go straight down to the grass line. Start back up here at the skyline. You go around to the plain line and around again to the grass line. Connect them. And there you have the uppercase B. B is for bat or ball, and it makes the sound B. Say it with me. B, bat, B. Or we could do B, ball, B. Excellent. Kiss your brain. Let's make another uppercase B just a little bit faster. So we start at the skyline, go straight down to the grass line, come back up to the skyline, you curve around to the plain line, and around again to the grass line. B, bat, B. Okay, so let's make one more over here. B is a stopper sound. You have to press your lips against each other quickly and stop the sound or cut the sound off short like this. B, B. Okay? Because it's a stopper sound, we can't stretch out the sound and hold on to it while we write, like we did for A, apple, ah. No, it's a stopper sound. So we have to make it over and over again the whole time I write the uppercase B. Are you ready to try? Take a big deep breath. Okay, here we go. I'm at the skyline and voice is on. Go. B, 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 B. And there you have your 2 uppercase letters for today. A, apple, ah. B, bat, B. Remember, if you don't have the Fundations paper at home, you have regular printing paper, that's okay too. You're just gonna be missing the worm line, which we don't really use anyway for the uppercase letters. So no worries. Okay, just remember that when I say skyline, I'm talking about the top line. When I say plain line, it's the middle dotted or dashed line. And when I say grass line, it would be the bottom line if you have regular paper at home. Okay? And that's it for today's Fundations uppercase letter lesson. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yay! You did it. See you next time.